Oh my goodness. I don't joke about that. I'm not kidding. That's enough. We're good. Okay, so let's start off with f of x. What's my parent graph going to be? Absolute value of x. I guess I should have called the one on the assignment, I probably should have called g of x, right? We'll call this p of x for parent graph. How about, right? P of x is absolute value of x. There it is. Okay, let's go ahead and let's add a couple points on this real quick. So I don't want to do them all. Give me a couple points I probably want to pick. Okay, so 0, 0 for sure. Now, be really smart about this. If I'm going to, what's my dilation look like it's going to be? 1/4. So what might be convenient? Okay, so maybe 4, 4. Something like that. Oops. 1 minute? Okay, good. All right, so now if we want to do our transformation, let's do this in steps. Think about order of operations. What does order of operations say we should do first here? Okay, so the absolute, inside the absolute value, what does the plus 4 do? Okay, it moves it to the left by 4. So we can do that. That's fine. So if we go absolute value, we'll call this f of x, equals absolute value of x minus 4. Okay, that's good. Oh, plus 4. Whoops. So we moved it left by 4. Okay, that works. Let's label these points, and let's real quick, let's add the points. Let's add the points. -4, comma, f of -4, 0, oops. So I'm going to do, make that h. Oh no, we'll too far. Oh man, I'm running out of time. Feeling the pressure. There we go. How's that? Oh, joke. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we did that. Now, what would come next by order of operations? The 1/4. Okay, so if we multiply this by 1/4, okay, it smushes it, right? And then what's last? -6. Okay, so we lost it. It's just down there, right? Okay. So does that make sense? Now let's just see if this seems to work. So we've got this dilated graph. The special point that started at the origin, right? Our vertex should have gone left 4 and down 6. Did that work? Well, left 4, down 6, there it is, right? Was the dilation preserved? If I go over 4, instead of going up 4, I'm going up 1. Did it work? What happened here? Yeah, I did. It worked. Yeah, it worked. Okay, look how, but a common mistake would have been to do this. A common mistake would have been to say instead, if we had gone absolute value of x plus 4, and then we had done our vertical dilation. Hang on just one sec. If I had done our vertical dilation and gone down 6, and then I had taken the whole thing, and I had, or excuse me, our vertical translation, if I had dilated the whole thing, look what would have happened. we would have gotten the wrong answer. So what's the moral of the story? You have to do the vertical dilation before you do the vertical translation. Okay, we'll talk more tomorrow.